Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Instagram open here. First, what we'll do is, in order to create your own hashtag, we have to look and make sure that that hashtag hasn't been used before by anyone else. So I can tap on the little search icon at the bottom left here, and then tap on the search bar at the top. And then what we'll want to do is just start typing in, say, a hashtag. And I can just make something up. Something like Trevor's hashtag. And you can see at the very top, it says fewer than 100 posts. So you tap on that, and you can see one other person has used that hashtag. So potentially you don't want to use that hashtag. So you can go back and say Trevor's new hashtag. And then nobody has used that. So now we can say Trevor's new hashtag is a completely original and never used hashtag. In order to use that, we would just tap, we'll go back to home here, and then we can just tap on the plus icon at the very top here. And then say we just use a photo of a rock, and then we can hit next, and then here we type in our hashtag. We want to use Trevor's new hashtag. So we type in that hashtag, Trevor's new hashtag, and then just hit OK, and then share. And then what this did is it basically created your very own hashtag. So you can tap on that, and then you can see, there you go. It's only this post that we just posted. That's the only one with that hashtag. And then you can tell other people or continue to use that hashtag as kind of your branding hashtag. So first step is to just identify one that nobody's ever used before, and then you can create a post with that hashtag. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.